Hey, this is Deckman's RC, and what we have here for you today is our Axial Yeti, our trophy truck build. What we've done so far is tape the whole body up, mask it to prepare it for being spray painted. Now it's sitting up high. As you can see, I can fit my whole hand under the body, in between the roll cage and the body. We haven't changed the wheelbase yet, or the tires, so it's still a completely stock Yeti, just that we've made the cutouts, the necessary cutouts for the trophy truck. And what we've done so far is we've painted the wheels and mounted those on our tires from RC 4-wheel drive. So we already have all those done. I'm gonna mount those. So we're going to go ahead and go outside to start spray painting this body. Hey, this is Sam with Deckman's RC, and here you can see we're dismounting the tires of the Axial Yeti already. Philip in the background is working on the stickers for the body we got from Proline, and we will mount the Mickey Thompson tires once we have the stock Axial Yeti tires off of here. So what we decided to do was keep the hubcaps that came with the Axial, since KMC, Vanquish does not send hubs with the KMC wheels. So we are keeping the hubs from the Axial, and this is the first tire mounted. You can see the hub in the middle and the KMC beadlock wheel around it. Okay, so as we're taking the back axle apart, we're also switching out the links, these upper links, and the trailing arms. Now, here's the stock Yeti one, and here's the one that we're going to use from the Vetero. That's the Vanquish upgrade for the Vetero. It is aluminum, it's very heavy duty, and it won't break, but it's actually a lot shorter than the stock Yeti trailing arms. So we kind of skipped ahead here. We finished the rear end of the car, the trailing arms right there, and the upper links right there. We had a slight problem with the MIP drive shaft because we shortened the wheelbase. This is the stock drive shaft now, but because we shortened the wheelbase, the MIP drive shaft was too long, and we tried to chop it up to make it fit, but it just didn't work. We also added a little fuel inlet here in the back and a radiator. Also put some lenses on the back lights. Let's take the roll cage off, and look what else is done. Now to mount the body, we're going to use these tall body mounts from our SGX 10s. They come in every kit version or in every RTR version. And then to the roll cage, we also added some side body posts. Here you can see the rear end one more time. And we also have the Mickey Thompsons on there now. We're still waiting for another pair of wheel hubs because we want to narrow the wheel width, because right now it's quite wide and it doesn't really look that scale with the body on it. We also have our Valenian system all mounted up in there. And at last we also did some suspension upgrades. So in the next video we're probably going to mount a back bumper and the wheel hubs, and then this project is pretty much done. We only got to get a few batteries for the light kit, and then it's ready to go outside.